What's up, you guys? I am in the magical Todos Santos, Mexico, which is the Baja California Sur area, which is south. And California in the United States is actually north, Baja. So it was something new that I learned. Anyway, I'm here for the next 8 days. I'll be exploring. I'll share some food that I tried with you, views of the town, and what's going on here. It really, truly is a magical place, and some place that you would like to see, where there's not lots of tourists. Hold on, somebody's behind me with their music. Okay, so there's not lots of tourists, and you can find some good peace and quiet, enjoy the beach with absolutely pretty much no one on there. Then this is the place for you to visit. If you really want to immerse yourself in the culture and be close to the people, it's great. All right, I will see you soon. Next stop, town. Now here we are. This is the main strip in the central part of town. And as you saw when we first arrived into town, there were tons of little boutiques, restaurants, there were boutique hotels, rooftop lounges, which I didn't go to during this trip, but all of that was within those little areas of side streets, which was beautiful. It was very quaint, nice. It wasn't very crowded at this point in time because the tourists weren't really out here. I came in the early part of the morning, so before everyone came out. But it is very beautiful, very peaceful, super colorful. The food is amazing. The people were friendly, nice. You feel safe all the time. And what I loved about Todos Santos is that you weren't bombarded with all types of people asking you to buy things every 5 minutes. So inside of these little shopping areas, you also found many shops within the one shop. So I decided to try a little bit of tequila over here.
You are in the tequila tasting with this beautiful young lady, Michelle. So enjoy it. That is the regalo de Dios. Okay? The first one.
Yeah, that was really smooth.
Okay, so
Only one.
yeah.
As I continued my journey down the street, I saw the lovely Hotel California, which I've got to read the story behind that. Also, what I love is that here, besides all of the regular touristy things that you can buy, they had several high-end art galleries. So this is a very artistic, artisan type of town. So you'll find all kinds of things, unique, colorful, good quality artwork as well. So this is the start of Central Square. If you look out, you can see over all of the homes as well as all the way to the Pacific Ocean. And as I had mentioned earlier, that's where a lot of the expats live, choose to buy their homes. And this is a truly growing area. So you have the classic masonry church right there. And then as I walk into the Central Square, there's lots of places to sit and just relax, enjoy the beautiful flowers, the palm trees. I love it. It's very peaceful, as I said. And again, this is the earlier part of the day. As I came here on other days, it was a lot more crowded because tourists had come in from Los Cabos. And there's also another town called La Paz, which is pretty close. But again, amazing boutiques. And I'm going to walk over here to one of my favorite stores. I spent the most time in this boutique because every piece that they had in here was unique. They had artwork and clothing from designers from all over the world. As you can see, this was just a snippet of what I was able to do while in Todos Santos. I chose to keep it very low-key and just take my time in going places. I didn't want to go to all the tourist attractions, but you can go surfing, you can go boating, you can go fishing, you can hit all of the restaurants, you can go to the different surrounding towns. It's just absolutely amazing. As a solo traveler, I felt this was a very safe place to be. The people, the locals, were very helpful, very friendly, and had tons of stories to tell about their historical relevance in Mexico, which I loved.
Quizás no quieres algo más de esto. Será que fue un sueño, pero desperté. No sé qué somos. Hey baby, dime qué somos, porque siempre andamos solos.
Look at that. It's beautiful. You can hear it. Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit further. The funny thing is, we attempted to do this yesterday and I went up the backside, which was the wrong way. But this is so beautiful, it makes you want to keep going. Oh, wow. And trust me, I had some apprehension to doing this on my own. So don't think that when you have challenges ahead of you, it comes with no fear or no questions, because you do have them. I did. I was even looking up what kind of clothes should I wear going hiking. But I did all my little research to where I felt comfortable and decided that I was not going to leave here until we made it here. See if I can get a better view. Okay, I'm on the edge of this cliff, and you know I am tempted to go right there, but I won't because I'm out here by myself. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. That's even better. And so high up. Oh, that's beautiful.